Because as I speak to you, no, relatively, the cost now no and can very intact. You may have 1 or 2 outages here and there, but relatively, it's a very stable power supply in this country. Even though Omani, I also want to tell you all government commitments relative to Aketua as a chairman Ghana for Inano. Bosomen so man say Mavakotua. I dare say abandonment because Oman Sikasem Ayabasa. You see, government basically makes 3 payments: compensation, salaries and interest on loans. Buying bon homodimbia in the midst of these financial difficulties. Ghana by Ominano, we are able to make our commitment on compensations. If you say, I know they're very, very commendable on the part of government. Again, Adiabakwa Abansu 87.9 subsidiary payments. I mean, say even though if you want more check, it's a capitation grant, nominate school fee, I don't know, a check there, but government also is committed. Say do was animal, they would mean to know 8 years or so free.